Napunta ka dito before? Okay naman.
Oo.
Pero nag-shopping ka dito dati?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi din. Sabi nga ng friend namin last night, only tourists go here. Pero yung mga local, they never go here. Weird, no? Nakinaya, this is my breakfast for today. It's really cute, oh. Tingnan mo. Bakit parang ako mukhang ano? Ma-outfit sila dito, which I love. Punta kami ngayon Forever 21, meet yung mga friends and viewers nila Aisha. Dito kami sa train station. Yan, ang mga ating Korean family. Gano'n ka nakatagal dito?
Ano na, magti 3 years na ako.
3 years na. Namimiss mong bumalik sa Pilipinas?
Oo, uwi ako dyan.
Uwi ka? Sige, sige.
Kita tayo.
Nilibre nila kami ng
Umiyak ko yung pamangkin ko. Kasi hindi
punta kami somewhere na mas cheap yung bilihin just so we can buy more stuff.
trainer.
Dito hindi naman masikip yung trainer.
Galit sila pag may mga ganito-ganito.
Bakit?
Para sa kanila weirdo yun. Pag mga ganito.
May camera?
Ayaw nila.
Ate, ano ang tawag sa lugar na to?
Numdaemon.
No, yun.
Yes.
Yun na lang, I'm not gonna butcher it.
Yes,
Dito
hello
yung
dear.
parang divisoria nila na mura. Kasi doon sa last time, medyo parang normal Filipino price eh. Ba't pa tayo pumunta, diba? Kung pareho lang din naman. Ngayon medyo nawawala kami. And we have to catch up time because we're leaving probably 30 minutes. So bahala na lang sa amin ni Aisha. Dala mag-honeymoon pa sila. So chill-chill lang silang dyan. Oh, basta ha, ninang ha. Oh, kahit invite lang ako, go lang. Pila na kami. Pero kanina, sabi ko, kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami pipila. Kasi hindi ko naintindihan, puro Korean yung language. Lumapit ako kasi akala ko security siya. Sabi ko, hi, excuse me, can I ask you a question? Sabi niya, no. Parang, okay, parang thank you. Grabe yung, parang, joke lang. Ayun, sobrang grabe excess namin, 32 kilograms. Our baggage allowance was only 15 kilograms. So, medyo natipid yung aming baggage allowance. Yun lang yung ma-complaint ko. Pero masaya naman yung buong trip. Yung baggage lang talaga yung...
Sana hinatid kami.
Good luck. It's gonna be a long-ass day. So, good luck to us. Okay, finally, nakapag-settle in na kami. Kumakain na kami ng Burger King because it's the only food na talaga sigurado kami na hindi masasayang money and gusto namin. Hindi kami masyashock? Hindi kami masyashock. Kasi puro shock na kami. Ang dami na namin na-shock eh. So yung bulgogi. Tama ba? Bulgogi? Tawag? Oo. Hindi ko mabasa. Ano ba itong resibo na to? Bulgogi burger siya sa Korean version. So, okay naman siya. So, feeling ko later, wala na akong panahon mag-vlog. So, tapusin na natin. Aisha and Tina going na to Manila. Balik na tayo sa realidad.
Gusto ko na ng adobo.
Palabo. Caldereta. Nagbaon kami kasi sa flight, hindi masarap yung food nila. Tapos mahal. So, burger na lang, diba? Busog ka pa. So, ayun. Ready na kami. Check-in na kami. After nito, titingin na lang kami sa makeup para pang pasaya ulit. We'll see. Pero yun lang. Thank you for joining me in my Korea trip. I had so much fun. For the most part. Pero that always happens naman eh. Alam mo yun? Sometimes, meron talagang mga ups and downs. Yeah. Pero nonetheless, super thankful kami sa Loisel family namin. Sobra. Okay na. Very okay. Ang daming pinamigay sa amin. So, marireceive nyo rin yan dahil hindi namin kaya ubusin lahat ng mga makeup products, besh. So, I'm pretty sure we will share it to you guys. So, ayun. Kain na kami. And that's it. If you guys have any more questions to ask us, comment down below na lang. And I have nothing else to say. Bye! God bless! Mwah! It has been an eventful day. Na-miss namin yung flight namin because we were directed to the wrong gate. Well, not wrong gate, but they said that that would be the gate. And yun pala, it's in another building. So now, we're gonna extend one more day. We're leaving on the 26th. And we got a really last minute hotel. And it's not bad. It's okay na. Alam mo yun? Who would complain? It's good. May TV, may computer. Tapos dito, grabe, may hairspray, hair gel, mga aftershave, toner, suklay, brush. Oh, lahat na. Oh, may window kami dyan. May coffee table, kamat, isa pa. Tapos yung bathtub namin, malaki. Look, it's pretty big, you know? It's Loisel family. Thank you for saving our night. Grabe, we were so afraid. Oo, to message Mr. J kasi he was super busy. Pero thank you talaga na inasikaso pa rin nila kami kahit busy sila. So thank you, thank you. can I just say not one, but two laptop, computers yung ano namin, CPU pa yan, oh. Grabe na. In fairness, natutuwa ako sa room natin. Oo, diba? Guys, ano yan? Pwede mo na.
Panis ka, share to.
May libreng condom sa hotel namin.
So,
ready.
Di na?
No!
I'm going down. Timber.
I just realized my voice is so deep. I sound like a man pa rin. It's been 3 weeks. I'm a woman. Promise. Last full day, dadaan kami sa loob. The one where I saw the Stella makeup. I really wanted it. Tapos, naglalakad lang kami ngayon. Kukuha kami ng cab. Pabalik sa hotel namin para kunin yung baggage. Nagpapalit na rin kami ng dollars dahil kailangan namin ng pera. Buti na lang talaga may extra pa ako. Kung hindi, mamumulungin sa Korea. So, ayun. Finally, makatikim na rin ako ng street food. Kahit hindi siya like the properly authentic street food, it's still kind of, you know, street food because it's in the street. Tsaka mura lang siya. Is it? Oh, sorry. Kumuha ng order na hindi sa kanya. Kaya ayun, nakakatawa tong mga magjowa na tong mga batang to. Mga high school na magjowa. Isa dyan, jowa niya si ate girl. Ayun o, yan. Kaya na pa sila nag-aakbayan. Magbe-break din sila, ano din.
Ano lang yung high school pa
forever. Matagal ko na gustong tumigil yun para may sabi nila na gawin ko sa Korea. Taste street food.
Tama.
Sarap, bes. Parang siyang corn dog na hindi. It's more crunchy. Yan, cheese yan, no? Sabi, super bait yung taxi driver namin. Kasi pinasok namin yung mga baggage namin sa loob. And then,
May lamang bakal.
oo, tapos nung ako na yung magkakarga, sabi nila, no. Sila daw, parang, si kuya, matanda na. Ayun, no? Diba? Tapos siya pa yung nag-offer na, be, can I just say, it's 32 kilograms. Kinarga niya by himself.
Bakit?
Sobra. Kami mga Korea, except yung driver na nung paglabas namin sa airport kagabi, ang gago talaga. Kinausap niya si Mr. J. Tapos, yeah. Tapos pinasa na lang kami sa ibang car. So, binigay sa kanya instruction. Di naman pala siya yung magdadrive sa amin. Kamusta, diba?
Pakasar kayo mukha.
Oo, parang hehehe. Gumanon pa siya. Talaga. So, papunta na kami sa bahay ni Juliet. Tapos nagluto pa siya for us. Pakita namin sa inyo yung food that they cooked for us. Is it Korean?
Patatim.
So Filipino food.
Kasi sabi ko,
Siguro na-miss din nila yun, no?
Hindi, sabi ko yung
Oo, kasi medyo hindi kami ganun ka. Hindi lang kami super yung, oh my god, na-miss ko yung kimchi. Hindi kami ganun. So, ninutuan na kami Filipino food.
Trip na si Raisa eh.
Si Raisa kasi and Crisel, they super love it. Kami naman, we're very new to it, so, alam mo na.
Kasi dito pala sa Korea, hindi kada taon, kada season, nagpapalit sila ng mga furniture, pati baso.
Iniiwan lang nila sa labas. And it's free for all. Kaya napulot lang daw nito.
Kung problema mo na lang kung paano mo dadalhin sa bahay mo kasi hindi ka naman sasabihin.
Ayan, Miss Juliet, thank you again. I love talaga Filipinos sa mga ibang bansa.
Thank you so much, Queen. I made new friends a lot.
Siya pa yung nagte-thank you. Ano ba? Reunited!
Yes! Finally!
Oo nga, tagal din. Can't believe I extended. Okay, officially last day in Korea. Hinahatid kami nila Sis Juliet to the airport. First, we are going to buy some contact lenses before we go to the airport. I didn't get to vlog last night much kasi nag-clubbing kami. But alam mo, in fairness, bet ako ng mga Koreano dito. Minsan lang daw kasi sila makakita ng malaman. Kaya alam mo na, tatawa sila lahat. Pero ayun, for now, yun, bibili kami ng contact lens, mag-taxi kami. Ba't mo ako pinipicture niya ako? Hi, Paula! Paula. Oh,
Same.
Oh, same. Cute niya, no? Inayos ko yung kilay niya. Di mo? Oh, nagdalaga na siya. So, ayan. We'll show you later yung mga contact lens na pwede namin bilhin or not. Ay, my God! Meron pala akong dumi sa mukha.
Saan?
Sobrang takaw. Ano na pa yung ilang gutom na ako. Lunchtime na kasi. O, diba? Meron silang parang quick dito, oh. Ayun. Gusto ko tikman. Pwede pa kagat kahit isa lang. Taste it. Ito, I don't know. I'm just eating it. It's pretty good. That one, I like that. Ito, normal lang siya na corn dog. So, nothing too special about it. Good, do. Pwede itong iulam. Imagine, 50 pesos lang to. 44 even. Sobrang, ano lang yung, tawag dito, tempura nila. Sobrang casual lang. Samantalang mahal-mahal dito sa Philippines. Ang sarap. Okay, so of course I have to be here, the contact lens store. This is called O-lens. Tapos yung mga ano nila dito about 250 to 100 lang. Pero 2 weeks to 1 month lang. Tapos tingnan mo to, oh. They have this fake eye. So if ever you need to see what the contact lens looks like, they can put it here. O, diba? Oo, ang galing. Wala lang. Someone smart. Yun nga. Mabilis lang yung expiry nila. Meron silang mga case. Meron palang ganito, guys, oh. Yung lalagay mo dito yung contact lens mo and you shake it. And it cleans it for you, which is super smart. Ala, lalaglag ko lang sa punta. O, yun lang. Bye. Takbo na kami kasi late na naman kami. Ito na naman. We are finally en route to the airport. Final na to. She's right there. I'm here kasi I have my aircon. And we just finished our last minute shopping and bawi na kami. Final na to. Wala nang bawian. Touch move. I can't wait to go back home, have my bed, sleep all day, then back to work, back to taping. Good luck na lang to us. At yun. Home now, but I can't find Aisha. I don't know where she is. Baka nauna siya sa akin eh. But I waited for her sa gate. So baka napalayo siya. I don't know. I hope she can manage her way. But I'll still try to look for her. Found you! Nawala kang biglang bakla. Guys, ito na. Magsama na kami. We got our baggages. And we're now on our way to the exit. Official na. We have landed in the Philippines. Wala nang balikan. Well, maybe in September. Pero wala na munang balikan for now. Medyo na-trauma pa kami from 2 days ago. But official na to. I'm gonna end the whole Korea vlog now. I don't know how long this was or how many parts it is. But I'm gonna end it now. So if you had fun watching, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Pass this on to people you know would like this video, vlog, whatever. Anyways, that's it. Bye! God bless. Bye! Trying to look for my mom. Sobrang pawis. Trying to, Oma! Oma! Anong essay?
Ano ka tumaba na?
Hala, gabi ka naman. Nang kinain namin.
Huwag ka maganyan-ganyan. Baka kapitin yung ano dito.
Ay, nasa Pilipinas na pala tayo. Annyeong. Annyeong sa'yo. Did you miss me?
Of course we missed you. We missed you so much.